last class we have been, your data has been converted into single variables. What it has been converted into single variables directly in the question. But here we are going to convert our two variables into one variable. Your question goes like this: interpolate the number of persons below age 70. Below age 70 is the keyword. Below is the keyword. Data available for me is here. Age, then number of person. So age start from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100. So then this is the data. Age scale is available for me with two variables. Then my number of persons are 333, then 160, 135, 67, and 65. So these are the variables available for me. My x is two variables, my y is single variable. I need to convert my x2 variable into single variable by using the word below. So let x be age and let y be number of person. Okay, my y will be number of person and x will be my age because independent and dependent variable. So simultaneously I will do my leading difference table. So my x I will be taking as usual with the word below. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 with the word below. So below 20. Second factorial. When you are converting your data two variables into one variable, always we will be considering your second data with the word below. If it is up to, we will be considering first variable. Then below 40, below 60, then below 80, below 100. This is my x with single variable. When I am converting my two variables into one variable, that time I need to take my y. What I need to take? I need to take cumulative of my y. Cumulative means where I will be adding all this. For first year, my y will be original 333. My second year y will be 333 plus 160. Okay, I will get here 33 plus 160. I will get 493. My third year will be both what I have added here 493 plus 135 plus 135. I will get here 628. And then here 628 plus 67 plus 67. I will get here 695. Then here 695 plus 65. I will get 760. I get here 760. I need to take cumulative when we are converting single variable into double variable. I need to take cumulative, and this will be my x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Here will be y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. There are 5 values. My y are 5. I need to do my difference coding. So leading difference table I will be doing here with delta. That is delta 1. 493 minus 333. I need to write between variables, okay? So 493 minus 333. I am not writing the formulas here. 628 minus 493. Then 695 minus 628. Then 760 minus 9695. Here I will get 493 minus 333. 160 minus 493. 135. 695 minus 628. 67. 760 minus 695. 65. See here all are positive value because we have here positive values. So delta 10, delta 11, delta 12, delta 13. I have converted my 4 factorial to 3 factorial. Next I will do for delta square. Same thing, 135 minus 160. 67 minus 135, then 65 minus 67. 135 minus 160 minus 25, then 67 minus 135 minus 68, then 65 minus 67 minus 2. Delta square naught, delta square 1. Delta square cube 2. Then I need to do for 4 factorial. Here then I need to do for 2 factorial. 3 2 4 3 2 have been reduced. Next it is for delta cube. That is minus 68 minus of minus 25, then minus 2 minus of minus 68, minus 68 plus 25, I will get minus 43, then minus 2 plus 68, I will get 66. So minus 43 and 66 I will get. This is my delta cube naught, delta cube 1. Again 1 factorial I need to express into not factorial. Power 4. 66 minus of minus 43. I will get 66 plus 43. 109 as my delta 4 naught. My delta 4 naught is 109 positive value. Till here is the common one. See here, when we are expressing my 2 variables into 1 variable, what? When we are expressing the 2 variable into 1 variable, my x, we need to take the cumulative of the y. If it is in single variable, then we need not to take the cumulative. Directly we can solve the problem. So this is your indifference, leading differencing tables. Okay. After this, we need to find out our x and we will substitute the values. So last problem, the difference sorry, last problem, the x value were directly converted into single variable. Here we will be converting a single variable with two words. One is up to and other one is below as per the question. Here in the question they have asked us to find out for the below. So I am taken here below. And I have been taken my x values in single variables and I have taken my y into cumulative. I got 4 factorial and converted to 3, 2, 1 and not factorial. So till not I get, I need to do my leading difference table. After this, so next is finding out my x and x variable. So finding out x, the formula is x is equals to the value of x to be interpolated minus the value of x at the origin. The value of the x at the origin divided by the difference between two adjoining values of x. Okay, here I will get x is equals to 70 minus 20 divided by 20. Okay, my table will start from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 70, like that it will be starting. I need to convert it in the frequencies where I will get my single variables. When I am getting single variable, I will be taking x, okay, where the difference is 20, so 70 minus 20 and 20. Here I will get 50 divided by 20, I will get 2.5. 2.5 is my x. So x is equals to 2.5. X minus 1 is equals to 2.5 minus 1. I will get 1.5. X minus 2 is equals to 2.5 minus 2, 0.5. X minus 3 is equals to, I will get 2.5 minus 3, negative value minus 0.5. Then x minus 4 is equals to 2.5 minus 4, I will get minus 1.5. The factorial where I have been reduced it till 4. So 4 factorials I will be having here. So it is 3 factorials only we will be using here. Now formula is, so I will keep this one aside. So I will substitute here. My y of x is equals to y naught plus x into delta 1 naught plus x into x minus 1 delta 1 delta square naught plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 delta cube naught plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 delta 4 naught divided by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. Now I have written the formula. I need to substitute the values. The values are x, y 70 I need to find out is equals to my initial origin of y is 3 3 3. So that one I will take here 333 plus x I found out 2.5 into my delta 1 we found it in the table was 160 plus 2.5, put it in the bracket for easier, into x minus 1 is 1.5, delta square naught we found 20 minus 25, then plus 2.5 into 1.5, then into 0.5, delta cube naught we found it as minus 43 into minus 43 plus 2.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 into minus 0.5 and my delta 4 naught, tau 4 naught was 109. I got it 109. So I will cross verify the values. 3 plus 2.5, 160 plus 2.5, 1.5 minus 25, 2.5, 1.5, then minus 43 is factorial are 1, 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorials. So I will get here 3 directly I am doing here 2.5 into 160 plus 400 divided by 1 factorial plus 2.5 into 1.5 into 25, 93.75 I will get divided by 2. I will get there minus 46.875. Then plus 2.5 into 1.5 into 5 divided by 12. Sorry, 6. 3 2s are 6 divided by 6. I will get minus 3.125. Then plus 2.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 again into 0.5 into 109. I'll get 102 divided by 24. I'll get 4 point minus 4.2578. 2.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 into 43 divided by 6. Here it is 13, sorry. Here it is minus 13.4375. Here plus into minus, 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 minus sign. So here I will get 333 plus 400 minus 46.875 minus 13.4375 minus 4.2578. I'll get here 668.429. 42 it is lesser than 5. So I will take y70 is equals to 668 I will take, and out of 760 I will get 668. See here in this problem we had two entries, two data available for me with x variables with 2 have been converted into single variables initially by using the word up to or below as per the question. Question we need to read very carefully. So two variables are converted in single variable using below word in this problem. After that, when I am converting my two variables into one variable, I need to take my y as the cumulative frequencies. What I need to take? Cumulative frequencies I have to take. Simultaneously, I will do my leading difference table till naught. Till I get my delta naught I need to do. After doing that, I need to find out my x value first. Keeping x value, I need to find out the variables of x substituting in the formula. So x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. 4 factorials are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 factorial. 4x I need to find. After that, I will substitute in the formula. My formula is yx is equals to y naught plus x into delta 1 naught plus x into x minus 1 delta square naught divided by 2 factorials. Then x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into delta cube naught divided by 3 factorials plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into delta power 4 naught divided by 4 factorials. After the formula, we will substitute each and every variables with respective values. Then after that, I need to substitute the values. After substituting the value, I will get my y of 70. So when in the directly in question, if it is given, we are not going to cumulative. If the two variables have been converted into one variable in the question, you are not going to take cumulative. If it is not given in the conversion form, we need to do conversion and take the cumulative for your values. Thank you, student. By this, your fourth chapter is an end. Next class will be seeing your fifth chapter with theoretical distribution. This your fifth chapter, please give concentration more because the weightage of that chapter is more. So once in the beginning only, if you understand that chapter, it will be very easy for you people. So this is your fourth chapter and end. So next class I will be starting your fifth chapter, that is theoretical distribution. Thank you, students.